Welcome back, now news some sports. Seoli Handball Club in boys section and St. Joseph Handball Club in girls section won the Goa and Sindhudurg level Invitational Handball Unity Cup. The tournament was organized by Perne Handball Club in association with Goa Handball Association at Perne. 13 Goan teams and 2 teams from Sindhudurg participated in this tournament.
8 boys teams and 7 girls teams participated in the tournament. The tournament saw good response from Goan teams. Seoli handball team defeated Nuve handball team by 5 goals in boys section. In the girls section, St. Joseph Handball Club defeated Nuve handball team by 1 goal.
हातूंतल्यान एक प्रयत्न आसा की एक सुंदर गेम इंटरनॅशनल गेम सगळ्यात दुसऱ्या नंबरची फास्टेस्ट गेम हँडबॉल ही ह्या पेडणे गावात रुजोवची वाडोवची हांगासून बऱ्यापैकी खेळगडे तयार जावचे गोंयांत आणि भारत देशात नामना जोडपी असे खेळगडे हांगासून तयार करपी जावचे ही मोख दवरून हँडबॉल असोसिएशन गांवागांवांनी पावत आसा.
खूप बरे दिसता खेळगड्याचे की 60-70 किलोमीटर प्रवास करून येऊन हांगासर उत्कृष्ट असे खेळाचे प्रदर्शन केले जेणेकरून पेडणेकारांक बरो खेळ पळोवपाची एक संधी मेळ्ळी. हांव एक पेडणेकारांक सगळ्यांक एक पेडणेकार ह्या नात्यान हांव एक आश्वासन दिता की हाचे परस बरे बरे खेळाडू नॅशनल म्हणात इंटरनॅशनल म्हणा खेळाडू पेडणे तालुक्यात हाडून तुमकां तांचो खेळ दाखोवपाचे असोसिएशनाच्या वतीन आम्ही प्रयत्न करतले.
Anurag Shetty try to Zara Cardozo. Now we'll move to the Lower Handball Club. The winners of this Vijay, Harjay Vijay Kumar, Ravi Kumar, Bunty, Rodney, very enthusiastic handball team, and the goalkeeper.
Reporter Vinod Mehtar for Prudent.
The famous Sangod was celebrated at Goddess Mhalsa temple at Old Mardol on Sunday. Goddess Mhalsa originally hails from Verna. Thousands of lamps were lit in the traditional pond of Mhalsa temple. This was the first Sangod at the new temple Goddess Mhalsa at Old Mardol.
Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent Media.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.